Here's a quick and healthy, delicious meal that's a great side for Thanksgiving or any time of the year. In this video, you will learn how to make this smashing side dish in no time at all. Hit the like button if you want to make a tasty, quick meal for dinner tonight. Now let's get cooking, people.
Here are the ingredients to make this fabulous chickpea sweet potato and spinach curry. First, press or mince 1 clove of garlic. Peel and grate 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Zest 1 lime. Juice 1 lime. Coarsely chop 1 onion. Chop the green stems of 1 large scallion. Chop a good handful of cilantro. Chop another good handful of parsley. Peel and chop a small sweet potato. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to the pot. Add 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds, a tablespoon of garam masala, a tablespoon of curry powder. Then add the minced garlic, the grated ginger, and the onion. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring gently. Now add the chopped sweet potato, a 1.5 cups of chickpeas drained and rinsed, 2 cups of diced tomatoes, and a 1.5 cups of full-fat coconut milk. Then a tablespoon of red chili paste and stir to combine. Cover and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Then add 2 cups of fresh spinach and cook until wilted. Add salt and pepper to taste, then the chopped cilantro, parsley and scallions, lime zest, lime juice, and combine well. You can serve this over cauliflower rice or a grain of your choice. Top with yogurt and enjoy.
Quick and healthy, delicious meals don't have to be boring or take up too much time. Get out of your comfort zone and stop ordering out and start eating in. Try this chickpea sweet potato spinach curry tonight. If you want more recipe ideas like this, press the link in the description below to receive my free ebook of 5 days of easy, cool dinners. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do it. Your taste buds will thank you for it.